Welcome to this exciting video today. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create videos or images that looks exactly like this with this AI tool I'm going to show you right here. And this AI tool is called Pika.art. Pika.art is a platform whereby you can easily convert your text to image, image to video, and also video to video right here. So guys, all we want to simply do, we want to make use of all of the option that is available right here on Pika.art. So right here guys, I'm simply just going to describe a story right here. Probably I'm going to make use of a young girl playing in the rain. And once you're done, simply tap on to generate, and this is just going to generate this particular image right here. As you can see, our video will start generating soon. So right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to generate this particular image right now. So you can easily just download this right into your device, and you can also upload an image or video right here and simply just generate. So I'm just going to upload a particular image right here. So I've been able to upload this video, so you can easily modify the region right here. You can decide to make use of this or this part. So once you're done, you simply just exit this. So the next, you can also expand the canvas, which is this right here. You can make use of 16:9, 9:16, or even 1:1. So depending on the canvas you want to make use of. And the next thing guys you want to do, you can easily just add in a prompt and click on to generate, and it's just going to generate this particular video right here into video by simply making use of this prompt. So right here guys, from the original video, which is this right here, I've been able to generate this right here. So this is how you can easily just create from video to video right here. You can also just delete this and upload an image right here, and you can easily just generate it to video. So right here guys is your video option. You can decide to choose in your aspect ratio from this part and your frame per second. You can also make use of this, which is the camera control right here. We have the palm, the tilt, rotate, zoom, and strength of the motion. And right here guys, you can easily make use of this tool right here for your negative prompt, your seed, and consistency with the text right here. So right here guys, with Pika.art, you are able to generate awesome images that looks exactly like this by simply giving this a prompt, or by simply making use of image to video or video to video.